The next directive we are going to talk about is to set the pipeline's options, and the directive itself is known as options. A pipeline may have a number of options, for example, build discarder, quiet period, retry, timeout, timestamps, and there are other options also. So let us first talk about a very simple one, which is retry. So we are taking a pipeline skeleton where we have agent as any, and we have given one stage here, and the name of stage is 1. Now on top, just after the agent, I am adding another block which is options, and in that options block I am giving retry option, and I am giving the value 3 in the brackets. So that means that I want that all the stages should be retried at least 3 times until they pass. And even if they do not pass after 3 times, then only the pipeline will fail. So let us try to execute this. I am saving it here and building the pipeline. So you see here there was only one stage, but here we are seeing that there were 3 stages that got executed, but all of these 3 stages were having the same name 111. That means it has actually retried only that one stage that we mentioned. Now let us add one more stage here. So I am copying stage 1 and putting it here just after that stage 1, and I am naming it as stage 2, and instead of mentioning a step for giving error, I am just printing a message using echo. So echo Kamal. Alright, so I know that the first stage will be giving error and second stage will not get executed. Now let us see what happens when we have the retry option on the top. So we can see here just after the build, it appears that all the stages have failed 1 2 1 2 1 2 like this. But when we go to the blue ocean view, only then we'll be seeing the actual picture. So here on the second run, the first stage failed, second was skipped, and then third, which was again 1, it was failed, and then again the second one was skipped, and that's how it actually went. So it was retried 3 times. The first one failed, second one was skipped, and then for the second run, again the first one was failed. It was not able to execute the second one. So like this it has actually proceeded. Now let us try one more variation, that instead of giving this options block on the top before the stages, let us try to put this option at one of the stage level. So I have given these options at stage 1 level, and now when we run it, you see here that it shows that only one stage has failed and it has not executed the second stage. And for the first stage, we are clearly able to see that there were 3 attempts of retry and all of those failed actually. So now you have seen the usage of options is very straightforward. There is no hidden secret, and it is very simple to implement. So likewise you can try the other options, because the syntax and everything is very clearly documented on the Jenkins official site also. So you just need to put that block, and for the purpose for which you are using that block, it will be serving directly. There is no other format or no other way of using that. Just try it out, and in case you face any trouble, I will be adding a bonus lecture. For now I leave it on to you to do this.